Most English learners make this mistake when someone asks, "Where are you from?"
Really? I always feel nervous. I don't know what to say fast enough.
Exactly. But today, we'll fix that. You'll learn how to answer this question confidently, naturally, and correctly every time. Hi everyone, welcome back to Master English Channel. I'm Sarah, your English teacher.
And I'm Jake, learning English with Sarah.
Today, we're going to practice one of the most common questions in English. Where are you from?
Yes, this is great because I hear it almost every day, especially when I meet new people in cities like New York, Chicago, and Los Angeles.
Exactly, Jake. And by the end of this podcast, you'll feel confident to answer it in different situations at school, work, coffee shops, or even airports. Let's start simple. Jake, how would you answer if I asked, "Where are you from?" right now?
I'm from, New York?
Perfect. That's the basic answer. Very simple. Listen carefully. I'm from New York.
I'm from New York.
Good. Now repeat with me. I'm from New York.
I'm from New York.
Excellent. Now let's try using a different city. How about Chicago?
I'm from Chicago.
Great. And Los Angeles?
I'm from Los Angeles.
Perfect. Notice the pronunciation. Los Angeles. Say it slowly. Los, An, Gel, less.
Los Angeles.
Exactly. The key is to say it clearly. Don't rush.
Pause and think. What city are you from? Try saying it in one sentence. I'm from Houston.
Perfect, Jake. And listeners, repeat after me. I'm from Houston. Now, let's make your answer a little longer. People often ask follow-up questions like, "Oh, really? What part?" Or, "How long have you lived there?"
So I should say more than just the city?
Exactly. For example, "I'm from New York. I grew up in Brooklyn." Or, "I'm from Los Angeles. I've lived there all my life."
I'm from New York. I grew up in Brooklyn.
Excellent. Now your turn. Jake, use Los Angeles.
I'm from Los Angeles. I've lived there all my life.
Very natural. Notice how we added a little detail. This makes you sound friendly and confident. Say it with us. I'm from Chicago. I grew up in Lincoln Park.
I'm from Chicago. I grew up in Lincoln Park.
Perfect. You can also mention how long you've been somewhere. I've lived in Miami for 5 years.
I've lived in Miami for 5 years.
Good. Pause and think. How long have you lived in your city?
I've lived in Seattle for 3 years.
Many learners make small mistakes. For example, they say, "I from New York."
Oh yes, I've said that before.
Remember, always use "I'm from," not just "I from."
I'm from New York. Perfect.
Another mistake is saying the city too fast. I'm from New York. Slow down.
I'm from New York.
Much better. Listeners, repeat slowly. I'm from Dallas. To sound even more confident, add a small detail about your city or neighborhood. Like what? For example, I'm from Boston. I love the Freedom Trail there. Or, I'm from San Francisco. I enjoy walking near the Golden Gate Bridge. I'm from Boston. I love the Freedom Trail there. Excellent. Now with San Francisco, I'm from San Francisco. I enjoy walking near the Golden Gate Bridge. See? Small details make your answer more interesting. Pause and think. What is one thing you like about your city? I'm from Austin. I enjoy the live music there. Perfect. Listeners, repeat slowly. I'm from Austin. I enjoy the live music there. After you answer, people often ask, "Really? I love that city. How long have you lived there?" So I should answer with details again? Exactly. Here's an example. I've lived there for 5 years. I really enjoy the local food. I've lived there for 5 years. I really enjoy the local food. Perfect. Now let's try a mini conversation. Hi, where are you from? I'm from Chicago. I grew up in Lincoln Park. How about you? I'm from Los Angeles. I love the beaches there. Very natural. That's how real conversations flow. Pause and think. Imagine you meet someone at a park in New York. How would you introduce yourself? I'm from New York. I enjoy walking in Central Park. Excellent. Now repeat slowly, listeners. I'm from New York. I enjoy walking in Central Park. You can also add your job. I'm from Chicago. I work as a teacher. I'm from Chicago. I work as a teacher. Perfect. Now combine city, neighborhood, and job for a full answer. I'm from Miami. I've lived in Brickell for 3 years. I work as a software engineer. You can answer using different structures to sound natural. I was born in. I grew up in. I've lived in for X years. I was born in Dallas. I grew up in Uptown. I've lived there for 10 years. Perfect. This makes your conversation more fluent and confident. Let's make it fun. Jake, imagine you are meeting someone at a baseball game in Boston. Hi, I'm Jake. I'm from Boston. I love going to Fenway Park. Great. Listeners, repeat slowly. I'm from Boston. I love going to Fenway Park. Or at a tech meetup in San Francisco. Hi, I'm Jake. I'm from San Francisco. I enjoy visiting Silicon Valley. Excellent. See how American city examples make it easy to practice real-life conversations. Pause and think. Where are you from? Try to answer in one full sentence. I'm from Seattle. I enjoy exploring Pike Place Mumtit. Perfect. Now say it with us slowly. I'm from Seattle. I enjoy exploring Pike Place Market. Try another one. Include your neighborhood and a hobby. I'm from Los Angeles. I live in Hollywood. I love visiting movie studios. Amazing! This repetition helps your brain remember the sentences. After you say your city, people may ask, how long have you lived there? What do you like about it? Where exactly do you live? So I should answer with details again? Exactly. Here's an example. I'm from Chicago. I live in Lincoln Park. I've lived here for 5 years and I love the restaurants. I'm from Chicago. I live in Lincoln Park. I've lived here for 5 years and I love the restaurants. Perfect. Repeat slowly for listeners. I'm from Chicago. I live in Lincoln Park. I've lived here for 5 years and I love the restaurants. Let's have a full practice. I'll ask questions and you answer, Jake. Listeners, answer with us. Hi, Jake. Where are you from? I'm from Miami. I've lived there for 5 years. Great. And what do you like about Miami? I love the beaches and the food. Excellent. Now, what part of the city do you live in? I live in Brickell. It's a busy neighborhood. Perfect. Listeners, repeat each sentence slowly after us. I'm from Austin. I enjoy the live music there. I'm from New Orleans. I love the jazz and street food. I'm from San Diego. I enjoy the beaches and parks. I'm from Denver. I love hiking in the mountains. List all 4 slowly with me, listeners. Today, you learned how to answer where are you from, how to add neighborhoods, hobbies, or jobs, how to sound confident and natural. I feel much more confident now. I can answer in many ways. Exactly. Remember, practice is key. Speak slowly, add details, and enjoy the conversation. Now, practice in the comments. Write a full sentence about where you are from, your city, and one thing you like about it. I'll read them and practice with you. Listeners, share your answers. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share so more people can learn English. Keep practicing. You're doing great. See you in the next video.